aggressive. Come on. We'll just start. We'll get a playlist going, okay? Yeah, 2 songs on repeat. No one stays in here longer than 10 minutes.
Is this hot?
No, it's just room temperature.
Oh.
Yeah, for sure.
What's the difference between the old fashioned and say creamy chocolate? The least cocoa. Where's the most Oh, it is a dark. It doesn't have like weird stuff in it. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, I got it.
That one. That's like a plain brown chocolate.
Do you know what? I like it. That's what I would like. And the little swirls inside. Start a pile for it. Thank you. I appreciate help. Well, so. I got some maple already. I mean, it's good news.
지은이 뭐 하나 사가지고 싶어.
이건 어떨까요?
I'm following this work before. Before I only make it also. Like, up my side and stuff. Seems like it'd be really fun.